Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to go through the second set of 3 connection points for Amazon SES, and you're looking at moonmail.com. Moonmail.com is an open source email marketing system. Now for context, it is used by international brands such as Warner Brothers and Nespresso. Paid pricing starts at $15.99 a month for 25,000 recipients. Now FormGet is a cloud-based service and is a little more expensive than the others. However, do not have to go through a setup and maintenance process. And it does compare favorably to other email marketing systems in that you can send to 100,000 subscribers for $79 a month. And so the cost of the savings that they're getting from Amazon SES, they're passing this on to you, the customer. And finally, there's EasyMail 7. EasyMail 7 is another system, and the payment is going to be one time. However, just note that there is an annual maintenance fee if you choose to keep working with EasyMail after your anniversary. And obviously, it's being used by a number of businesses, large, mid-size, and small. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video where we will look at 3 additional SES connections.